So first of all, you can see there's my server. But let's forget that. Let's just say we're coming in completely blank. How would you go about setting up your first server? All you need to do is click on Create New Server. This then gives you two different options. Your FlyWP managed. This basically means that all the billing and everything is all controlled inside your FlyWP account, and you can connect up to DigitalOcean, Vultr, and Akamai. If you want to bring your own server, you can do that from here, and that opens up some additional options. You do have to have a little bit more technical knowledge here, but you can easily do it without too much problem. Let's say we stick with the Fly Managed to start off with. Let's say you choose something like Vultr, which is what I tend to use. You choose the option, and then underneath, you can basically go through and choose what type of server setup you want. As you can see, though, we can choose the server location. This will depend upon the actual servers that you're using. So, for example, DigitalOcean, Vultr, and so on may have servers in different locations. Choose what is relevant to you from the list. For this example, I might choose something like London. Then you can choose what server type you want, a shared CPU or a dedicated CPU. Then you've got your category, cloud, high frequency, and high performance. Then underneath, you can choose the server name. So you may want to name this your company. So for example, WP Tuts 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then you can choose the operating system. And then it gives us a server summary underneath and the estimated cost every single month. So if we chose this one, you can see that's $28 per month, and it gives us the information about it. So once you've done that, you click on Launch Server. That will take a few moments to provision everything, and then your server will be available to you. Now, if you want to bring your own server, if you choose that option from here, you can see this is a little different. So you see we've got some additional servers. So let's say you wanted to bring a Hetzner server over, choose the option, then you can drop in your profile name, the API token, and you can then say you've passed the API token. If you choose something else, let's cancel this and we say Vultr, you can see it gives us the same kind of information, and we just need to grab that data. And you can see this will tell us where do you find it, check the documentations. There's links to show you how to do it.